So, we're here at Woodland Hills, and we're at downtown Philly.
Downtown.
So what is this spot known for?
Philly cheesesteaks.
Yeah.
Philly cheesesteaks. I just got back from Philly, so I gotta try it out and see what it's
We're
like.
about to check out some Philly cheesesteaks for y'all. Come join us. See you on the side. Woo!
This ain't booze.
What's up, everybody? So we're here in Woodland Hills. We're at downtown Philly in Woodland Hills.
Yeah, so it's not downtown Woodland Hills, but downtown Philly in Woodland Hills.
But yeah, so we got some Philly cheesesteaks and a cheesesteak fries. Can you hear me? Looks like that. Shit money.
Yeah. Just put it on some fries. And yeah, we had to get Wiz because you know my boy over here.
Some Philly.
He watched that video, Booze Philly, when Sonny wasn't feeling too good. He had that Wiz and he came back to life.
Let's see if this stacks up against the booze. We're gonna get started. I'm gonna go ahead and tear through this right now. I really do want to try this.
So I just got back from Philly last week, and I tried like 4 different spots in like 2-3 days. So I was reluctant to come here, but I'm gonna give it a try.
Good. Not bad.
Only thing I will say though is the bread can't hold up to the meat.
It got really soggy really quick.
Yeah.
But it's still really good.
The meat's seasoned, so I like
the
the
stack
meat.
up to booze. Nah. I like booze. Booze is really good.
But that was like an experience. That was a lifetime experience for you right there.
It just has that, like when that cheese came, man, it was just cheese came on you. Like it was so good. This kind of lacks that.
Yeah.
Take one more bite just to make sure.
But I don't know. Now that I've been, I kind of just do it really simple. Just bell peppers, onions, meat, and the whiz.
So I don't know if it's a cheese. It doesn't like whiz. The whiz at Booze is totally different. Yeah, it tastes totally different.
But I mean, look, watch. It just see. The bread isn't holding out. I wish it was a little bit more firm, but
it's good. It's not bad.
yeah.
Let's try this fries. So pretty much their fries are the same thing. They throw whiz and they throw the cheesesteak on top of the fry.
They got some jalapenos in here too.
Not bad.
Oh, look at that. It's like Korean barbecue.
So it's like, you know how you get like carne asada fries? It's like that, but like Philly cheesesteak style.
I will say though, I think I like the fries better than the actual Philly.
Feel the same way.
Meat's crispy, chopped up finely, so you get like bits of everything in each bite.
It's a cheese whiz, man. Like cheese whiz at Booze has got a different taste to it. I don't know.
It's the same cheese.
No, it's not, bro.
It came from the same pan.
I don't think so, dude. Theirs tastes totally different.
Oh, man, now you make me want to go back to Booze again. Yeah, now I gotta go try some other shit here to see what's the closest I can get to being in Philly.
Yeah, Booze's cheese is different. It tastes different. Like it doesn't have that. I don't know how to say it. It doesn't have that. Wake up, bitch.
Cause it really woke this motherfucker up. He was,
Yeah, I was out, but yeah, man, it's not bad. They got a good menu. They even have pizza out here. Whereas Booze is just strictly, yo, we just do sandwich.
Yeah, this spot,
just sandwich.
not a lot of parking. And you can miss it really easily, so you gotta be careful when you come here, but
Yeah,
there's Pandemonium next door.
it's hidden.
Shout out to Ocho.
Jalapeno ranch.
Jalapeno Rizanch. That's Malibu's most wanted right there in case y'all was wondering, you know? Just kidding. Just kidding.
What are you doing? They're jumping in everywhere, but I don't think you should throw ranch. Anything that's got cheese whiz on it. Just defeats the purpose of cheese whiz.
Well, it's not booze cheese whiz, so.
But it's good. Yeah, hard to find spot though. Like it's literally tucked away.
Yep. Don't take the alley because the alley does not connect to the front. I did that shit. I went all the way back around.
But we'll leave all the info in the description down below.
Yes, sir.
You guys should come check them out. They have a good menu. We got a few things to choose from. Aside from sandwiches, they also got pizza. They got burgers.
They got salad.
Yeah, if you guys come try this place out, leave a comment down below. That's what you know got.
Yep.
And then let us know if you liked it or not. But hit that subscribe button.
Hit that bell notification so you get notified when we put out videos just like this.
And most of all, share this with your family and friends.
Because they'll love it.
We'll catch you on the next one.
Peace.